Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making a creamy delicious mango ice cream that's super easy to prepare. Are you ready for a sweet treat? Let's get started. First, in a blender add 2 cups of mango. You can use fresh mangoes or you can use the frozen one, depends on availability. Then you will add 1 cup of whipping cream and then you will add half cup of condensed milk. Please don't forget to subscribe us and hit the bell icon. Blend until you achieve a smooth, creamy texture. Once it's ready, put in a container and then garnish with nuts and then freeze for at least 2 hours. If you like our recipe, hit the like button, leave a comment, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more updates. Happy cooking, enjoy your treat, and see you next time.